Okay, I'm in the process of building a shelter for my dog, Otis. So this is the start of the project, a 4x4 sheet of plywood. Okay, I've got the base built for the bottom. I 45 degreed it. You don't have to do that stuff. That's just the way I roll, but that's the base. And then this will sit on blocks, cement blocks, to keep it up out of the snow and the mud. Okay, I'm getting my studs and wall plates laid out for the back wall, and got it measured out. Okay, I got the first wall standing up. That will be the back wall. Okay, I got the front wall up and framed, and that is the dog door. He is a Great Pyrenees. He's a huge dog. He doesn't like being in closed up spaces. He does not get cold. This is basically to get him out of the wind and out of the rain. But anyway, that's how far I've gotten. Okay, I got the 4 walls up now. I have to keep moving forward. Okay, I got the rafters up, walls up. And the sun is going down. Got to keep going. Okay, well, I got the rafters up. It's getting dark and getting ready to rain, so probably won't get this finished tonight. But I got this rafters up, the siding on one side, and then got the siding up on this side. So probably before I go in, I'll put it up this side anyway. I got the back of it sided, and it's starting to rain. Just got to finish the side and the front. And you can see I cut the bird mouths out on my rafters. Just got to make sure and add the width of this siding in your run. So that's where I'm at. Do the front, the roof. Alright, got the front end done, back end done, sides are done. Gonna start on the roof. Okay, the animal shelter is built, and I have some animals in it. That's not who I built it for, but nonetheless, it's being occupied. And so, have the roof on it, a little night light. So it is complete. Job done. Thanks for watching. Keep moving forward. Be sure to like.